Yes, you the one reading, watching, listening to me. Remember how you always have this dream of you want to change the world, you want to help enhance humanity, and you want to use your knowledge and skills to better others. Remember, now, this is I want to do that too. So I want to join forces. I'm in Stengbadel. I've got a home converted into a gallery, a beautiful place of harmony that can grow into a place of not harmony for just myself, but for many people, for many of those seeking a little bit of solace, a little bit of fun, but not fun, to be somewhere grounded. So if this is you,